Wait. Ah. It didn't even play the right sound. I thought it was gonna be the star sound. I thought it was gonna be, hold on. I think it's before. No. This sound. This sound right here. This one. Oh, there it is. Hello. I'm like, what? I thought it was gonna be that sound. Turns out when they said, here's the whole Paper Mario soundtrack, they meant all of it. So, yeah. It might just play a funny little sound once in a while. But that's okay. We like funny little sounds. It's like those, things that's like, hey, you know, here's a Pikmin sound every so often. Silence other than just a Pikmin sound. Yeah. Those are out there. Those are really great. So, where have we gone wrong? I'll tell you, actually, where we've gone wrong. I put the sheet in here? Yes. I'll tell you exactly where we've gone wrong. I made this 6 days ago. These were supposed to be days. That is, that's not what happened. That's not how it went. That's not how the story goes. Chat, look at all the things I thought I would do on the first day. The day that I made this. None of those happened. That doesn't exist. So I'm not going to count them as days. I'm going to count them as streams. This right now, the stream you're watching, that's 1. So today is 1. So today, this stream, we're gonna do, I guess, these 4 things. Start these, and then I guess I don't have to finish these 2. That seems easy enough. And in theory, when we finish all of these things, we'll be good. We'll have a fully working game. In theory, when all these things are finished, we'll have a fully functional video game on our hands. Ideally. I don't know why I decided to do the backgrounds last. Don't know why I decided to do that, but I did. But that will help, because this weekend, 1, 2, 3 of December, cannot stream. Can't do it at all. Oh right, it's Cyber Monday. I'll go on. I'll live. Anyway, controls. I think I actually started that, but nothing really got done. It's like 2 boxes. It's like a box and a wide box. I think that's where we're at right now on the project. So, you know, kind of a stretch to call it a game at this point. I don't even think that I meant for it to fall, but it doesn't even fall properly. But we'll see. We'll get it done. Yep, that's them. That's the box and the smaller box. And it doesn't fall. I don't know why. It's got the rigid body 2D on it. It should be affected by gravity, right? I guess it can sleep. Maybe we need to wake it up. Wake up! No, that didn't do anything. Freeze mode. Oh, it's this? I bet it's this. No. Kinematic, that normally means that it will move. This is gonna be the next half hour. I already know it. It's just gonna be, why won't you fall? Why aren't there physics? How do I make there be physics? Must I invoke some sort of physics process? There's a output message. I think it's just... This is so loud for me. I hope this isn't, like, obnoxiously loud. This music. Alright, this doesn't really matter. We need to figure this out. I think that there's... Yeah, open documentation. Let's learn. What do you do? I must apply forces. There isn't just innately gravity, then. That is where I slipped up. Always maintain precise shape. Apply... I guess it's one of these two. Add constant force. Do we use this as gravity? Maybe I should look at this tutorial. Can I... Okay, I guess I'll just do this. We should probably look at this tutorial. That's what we're gonna do. Oh, it opens in a new window. Hello. Dude, can you chill out? Chill out. There we go. That's better. Thing was speedrunning every item in the game. Must I download you? This demo does some stuff and things. We just look at it on GitHub. Never mind. We'll open it. Can I literally just open it from the downloads folder? It's probably not smiled upon. People say that. I know they say frowned upon. Is smiled upon a thing? I should just move it to the projects folder. What am I doing? Move it to the projects folder. Don't be lazy. Where's the projects folder? It's in here, right? Refresh. No. It said, screw you. I guess I've got this, too. I know gravity works here. The instancing demo. Because when you do this, if you play this scene, they fall. Oh my god, amazing. How'd they do that? How do you fall? Ball. Ball. There must be a script attached to ball that make it fall. Now we're back. We're back! No, it's okay. It's Petal Meadows. We're fine. But I don't see a script. How will I know if there's a script? I made a script in the other project. Didn't I? No, I did not. There must be a script here somewhere. Assets, maybe? Dude, there's no script. What? Hold on. Let's open the other one. Let's open the one we just downloaded. I'll close this for now. We're not really using it. Open. Import. Oh my gosh. You. Think. It'll probably be fine. Why wouldn't it work, yeah? Oh. Oh god. Alright, let's play this thing. Let's see how this is. Eh? How dareth? No. The music! It's not working. It's not working. Two is the mute key, right? Oops. Oh, wait. OBS keys, I'm stupid. Okay. I have a message. Hello, sorry for bothering you. I want to offer promotion of your channel. Blah, 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 blah. This is spam. Thank you for the spam. Really appreciate it. I will now add you to my block list. Bro, could you function correctly someday? No? Alright. Well, that probably is busted because it's meant for Godot 3 and not Godot 4. So... Oh, come on. Okay, listen. There's no way, right? I can't figure this out myself. I will just find a way. We will add a script. I was going to add one anyway. Attach script. We will call it... Your movie? Movement. Create. Okay. what we do now is add a force to the rigid body, yes? We had that over here. It says add constant force. How does this work? Teach me. Oh, these are properties. Wait, maybe I just need to change this. Body's total constant positional force is applied during each physics update. That's perfect. We'll just initialize that. Or initialize by setting that. Oh, wait, how do I even get the... how do I get a reference to it? Oh gosh, yeah. I don't know. Okay. I assume ready, yeah. Called when the node enters the scene tree for the first time. Don't pass. Don't want you to pass. You work for me now. You will... I guess. Maybe you could just... Wait. What's it called? Constant force. Constant force is equal to back to I guess wait, x then y, 0 then 1 because Godot is upside down for some reason. Semicolon? I know that that's wrong. I don't know. Maybe I do need this. Yeah? No. It hates me. I wonder, actually... Oh, wait, yeah, that works. Oh, I wrote new. Freaking, that's, JavaScript, isn't it? That's not this. I don't think I need this line, actually. Yeah. And it crashed. Okay, cool. It compiled. What's it want? How do you construct a deal? Is there a constructor? Yeah. That's what I did. Oh, wait. You have to say it twice. Like that. No, it hates that. Cannot find constant vector 2 on basic vector 2. What? Oh, why is this still open? Oh, still doesn't work. No? Sir? Oh no. It's unhappy. Okay, we kill that. Die. What'd I do wrong? Oh, they have to be floats. That's why. Invalid numeric notation. Nope, it doesn't even know what that is. Can't find vector 2. Let's see an example. Can we see an example? I don't know. Maybe I need to include something I haven't included? Is that the thing? Is that what happened? I mean, no, it's acting like it knows what this is. This actually worked. Like, this compiled and worked. But then it throws an error here. And it says, invalid set index. Oh, it's not upset about the way I made the vector 2. It's upset that I'm trying to directly set the force of a rigid body. I should have figured that, now that I think of it. That seems jank. Why? Okay, let's just keep Task Manager open. Let's just do that. So we can just extinguish those. How are you supposed to do it then? There's probably a method, right? Add constant for... Yes. Yes. That... That would make sense, wouldn't it? Alright, literally just... Like that? But now we got something going on down here. Cannot call non-static function. What? What are you telling me? Oh, that's just because I'm not using this, huh? It's an unrelated problem. This is the error I'm worried about. Cannot call non-static function to add constant force on class rigid body directly. Make an instance instead. Oh! Oh! I don't have a reference to... Wait, is it just this? No. Okay, I need a reference to this somehow. I don't know how. How do I get you? It's probably on Node 2D, right? Don't they all inherit from Node 2D? That would make the most sense. Methods. No. Oh, that's like a navigation of... Okay, that's neat. I didn't realize that. It's not there. I don't know... Like this? This is not declared in the current scope. Okay. I will Google it. Get node. I love this mouse. I have to show you my favorite mouse. Are you ready? Don't you wish this was your mouse? This is my mouse. Anyway. Dollar? You use a dollar sign? Am I supposed to use a dollar sign? It seems like I could just go get node and then the name of the node, which just happens to still be Rigid Body 2D. Like that? But you still have to give it arguments. Hello? Sometimes it's not useful. Sometimes it's not helpful, guys. Okay. Cool? Maybe. No, it broke immediately. Node not found. Node. It didn't find the node. Why didn't find the node? And it won't respond. Get out of here. Okay, well now we need to look at the documentation of get node, huh? How do you do this again? Look up symbol? No. There was a hotkey for it, but I don't remember. That's not it. Google is the dev's best friend. Control F2. Thank you. That did something weird. That opens the 3D editor. Okay, cool. Google might not be my best friend. Oh, F1. Control F1. Help. Well, I could just use this menu. Animation node. This isn't the node that I'm looking for. Thanks. Or is it? Wait, they all just have it, don't they? Get node position. Oh, wait, it's right here. Get node string name. Returns a sub animation node with a specified name. Huh? Do they all have this? Get stuff. I'm not achieving. Wait, I'm referring... Is it looking in the children? Or... I am the node that I'm trying to get. The script is running on this node, yes? Script. How do I get me? This seems like a roundabout way to do this. Oh my god. It's still not following! What do you mean? What do you mean? Alright, we're fine. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. We're good. All we have to do now is figure out why. Why? Just why? In the first place. No. It's not throwing an error anymore. I don't have anything. I don't have anything. I have nothing. Nothing! It was nothing, Shadow! Was nothing to me. Let's just put like a really crazy number in here. Maybe it's moving, but like really subtly. No. Let's read again, shall we? What does add constant force actually do? It gives a force and a position. I didn't give it a position. Oh. Adds a constant position to force to the body that keeps being applied over time until cleared. Position is the offset from the body origin in global coordinates. Excuse me? Okay, let's just set it to 0 and see what happens. No. All I want is gravity. Don't try to find. Oh, hey, there's a node class. This is nice. How did I open you? This button? Little button? Okay. Neat. Wait, is it literally just object? Capital O object. Would that work? No. What is object, then? What are they doing here? Oh, where did it even just go? This is why you start small, guys. I've never scripted in GD script before. I used to use Unity. Obviously, can't use Unity now. And it's just... I'm confused. I don't know what's happening. I thought I wouldn't be able to catch on. I mean, I feel like I'm catching on fine, but it's a process. Dude, what is happening? Okay, these are all the methods of nodes, so I assume all the nodes have these, right? This is just like housekeeping stuff. Is physics processing? If physics processing is enabled, is this what I've been looking for? Enables or disables physics. When a node is being processed, it will receive a notification physics process at a fixed, usually a 60 FPS interval. And the physics process callback will be called if exists. That doesn't comment that out. How do you make a comment? Wait. No. Please. I don't even know how to make comments. I'm so inept. It's hashtags. Okay. Sure. Why wouldn't it be hashtags? That makes so much sense. I think they look better, honestly. No, yeah. God, that's bright. Oh. Why? Why tutorial? Okay, wait. What was I trying to do? Oh, yeah. Hold on. I had a... Where did you go? Void set physics process. Internal. No. You failed. Failure only happens when you stop trying. Heard somebody say that the other day. It must be true, right? Dude, I just want it to fall. I haven't even gotten to the hard part yet. Just literally, like, I want it to be an object. Like, I want it to do the basic bare minimum of existence. Just, you know, interact with the gravity of the planet. That's it. That's like 90% not even work that you have to do. The planet does the whole thing for you. You just have to, like, not levitate in the air like you think you're better than everybody else. Like you think you're some kind of archmage. And you're gonna bring down, you know, the Monkey King. I don't know. Listen to me. You think you're better than me? I can't even move the camera. Look at you. Look at yourself. Look at yourself. You can't. Because your eyes aren't real. So you may be a levitating bitch, but I have real eyes, baby. These are just circles. You're not fooling anybody. Okay. Alright. Okay. This music, too. Oh, man. I forgot. I forgot about... I don't... You know what? We're the same, if you think about it. Would this really be any different? Yeah. I'm never getting that back. That's so tiny, I have to sharpshoot the corner to try and... Oh, never mind. That's probably the size I was before. Anyway. Ah, I forgot. I am PNG tuber. That's right. Wait, did I just make an empty vector too? Did I do that? Or does that just... I mean, it still doesn't work. Did it, like, auto fix? I don't think so. Weird. Found a reference for the syntax. I will show it to stream. Look upon it. GD script is a high-level, object-oriented, imperative, and gradually typed programming language built for Godot. It uses an indentation-based syntax, similar to languages like Python. Its goal is to be optimized for and tightly integrated with Godot engine, allowing great flexibility. I have the diction of a chimpanzee. Anyway, this is what the syntax looks like. Constants, enums, built-in vector types, function. Okay, see, this weirds me out so much. Sometimes you do a colon, and sometimes you do not. It's backwards. There wouldn't be a semicolon here in C#, but there would be one here. It's backwards. I'm seeing it. Anyway. Functions override functions with the same name on the base class. If you still want to call them, use a super. Neat. Know this equivalent? What is this? Class definition. Wait. Optional. No? Make an inst. Oh, yeah. Okay, fair enough. Thought I was onto something there. No, yeah. Class name means there could be more than one of this. Alright, well, still helpful. Just not what I'm looking for right at this moment. Keywords. Self. Self. Oh, wait. May I clear this? May I clear the console, please? Okay. Cool. Okay. That solves one problem, maybe. What happens if I do this? Print self. Autobiography. Ooh. Okay, so that does work. That's good. But this doesn't work still. Why? Why don't you? Why do you... Why do you not? Explain. Explain yourself, young man. This is what I'm gonna do. This is what I'm gonna do all night. I'm gonna interrogate my computer like it's a criminal. And then... I will get nowhere. It's gonna work. It's gonna work. Don't you say that shit to me. Breakpoint. That's where I am, baby. What else we got? See if we can solve any more Scooby-Doo mysteries. Should probably just save this page, honestly. What's match? Ah, it's like a switch statement. Okay. We'll probably have some kind of issue with that later, where I try to use a switch statement and just forget all about it. Would not at all be surprised. As. Cast value to a given type if possible. Oh, yeah. Okay. Typecasting. I'm gonna sit here and like try to act like I know what's going on. Yeah, man. Typecasting, I understand. On some level. There's math operators. A bitwise not. Crazy that that's one of the first things listed, actually. I don't think most people want to think about bitwise anything. And I think that I'm one of those people. I might even be two of those people. That's how much I don't want to do it. Okay, I feel like I'm not getting... I'm not absorbing information from this page anymore, but I will come back to it. We're trying to figure out why the box. Why the box stay? The box no fall. Box, he stay. He doesn't want to go anywhere. He's staying home. He's got his slippers on. He's drinking a coffee, a tea, a chamomile with his nightcap. He's got his gaming setup set up. He's got his gaming controller plugged into his game station where he's gonna play games. And he's gonna play Doom Eternal for 19 hours straight and then go to sleep. And for those 19 hours, this is what we're gonna be doing. "19 hours eternal." The Godot logo will be sitting in the corner. Gaming. Gaming his little heart out. And there's nothing I can do about it. There's no world where he doesn't do that. You know what? I've noticed something since we've been here. There's a little button here. A script button. Indicating that there's a script attached to this particular node. Is that button on the ball? Because if not, I don't even need a script to do this. I don't know what that means. Okay. There's not one here. So I guess this just means this is an instance of a prefab. Which makes sense, because it's right here. Prefab. But there's not one here. Which means there is no script. Which means I can make this fall, because it does fall, without a script. No script required. It just fall. It just falls. Why? Why are you like this? What's the difference between you two? Wait, this doesn't even have a rigid body on it. What is this thing? Oh, it is a rigid body. It's just arranged differently. No way! Eh? Can't reparent. What do you mean? That's just a blank node. Okay, wait. Oh, okay. Yeah. All right. I fixed it. That's pretty cool. We did that. I am genius, or I'm not. I don't feel very smart, actually. So, what does that mean? I guess that Sprite 2D, or like a basic node like this, its whole thing is that it doesn't move. So maybe I shouldn't be using these blank nodes as like root nodes like this. Should be doing this. Um, does that still work? Because whatever this one wants to do with the transform takes priority, I suppose. And since blank node doesn't want to do anything, then they do nothing. Cool! We did it. I have usurped the gamer that is this thingy. Let's rename that. That's okay. I learned to self. In the process of that debacle, and I think that's a really important lesson to take away from today, actually. You know what? Yeah. It's about finding who you are. If you don't know yourself, how can you know? Add constant force vector 2 vector 2. I probably don't need this line of code anymore. I bet it will still work. Anyway. Whew. That song was called Oh No. Oh wait, no it wasn't. This one is Oh No. Yeah, that sound is called Oh No. I thought you should know that. Okay, what was I doing? I need to make it flap now. That's the next part. Ah, tired. Probably from here somewhere. Okay, we'll bring back process. I think it was underscore process. Or am I just imagining underscores? Okay, I am. Oh, you have to, yeah. Yeah, there we go. Just check that that even compiles. Yeah, okay, never mind. Debugger says something. It says, failed to load script with parser. Let me look at this syntax again. How do you do function? Some function parameter. Ah! I'm imagining semicolons is what I'm imagining. Like that? I did not clear this. No. It's still parse error. Okay. Just look at the other. Let's just keep this open for reference. Wait. Let's look at this one. This I made myself. It's a box. It moves around. That's it. There is an underscore. I knew it. Oh, it's still... Go away. Alright, what? What did you say? Red? The function signature doesn't match the parent. Huh? Oh. Yeah. Delta. The, time between frames. Okay. We're here. We've arrived. Okay. So we can get input here. I've already done it once. I don't want get vector, actually. I kind of just want get button. Let's open this up in the project we're actually working on. I could probably close a few of these. Good grief. Don't need all of you. What's up? Okay. Action press. That's what the Rock Hawk did to Mario. In the 1,000-Year Door. Action press. I actually think he just kicked him. But he really put his whole body into it. Was not messing around. Action press. Action release. Yes. I agree that those are two separate things. I like that that's that way, actually. Unity just had get button. I'm like, what? When? I'm sorry, this music is distracting. I'm over here jamming or something. Action! String name. Are they in here somewhere? I remember them being somewhere over the rainbow. Editor settings? Import, not you. Oh my god. I can filter them. No. 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 We Google. Input map. Project settings, input map. Ah, I'm freaking scared. Okay. Yay! There's nothing. Cool. I guess I have to do this myself. Wait, okay, it won't go away, but I make an action, I give it a name, then I put the string name in the action. Or no, I put the string name in the action press method. And I suppose strength is some kind of a dead zone for like triggers and stuff, which I probably won't need because I'm just using a keyboard. And this game has literally one button, so I just need to add one single action. So I'm gonna name it Flap and add it. And then I'm going to waffle about in the menu a little bit, and then I'm gonna press this steely, and I'm gonna find, yes, obviously the spacebar you would want to select from this very long list of things, which is why they give you a filter that you can just type that in there and then you can click this. Bam. Is physical, because nobody mentally presses space, okay? You can't, like, telekinesize into it. You have to, like, move your hand, and you gotta slap that button. You come over here, and then I say, okay, if input.get action. It is get action, right? I didn't see it come up. Action press. My mistake. Action press. Lap. This thingy. Then do. That should... Let's actually put a print statement here. Just so I can test this separately. Why is it angry? Why is it red? Action press returns void. How dare you? It does return void. This will simulate pressing the specified action. Oh. I see. Okay. This method will not cause any node input calls. It is intended to be used with is action pressed and is action just pressed if you want to simulate input use parse input. Okay. I meant this. Returns true if you're pressing the action event. Yeah, that makes more sense. Okay. Is action press? Is action pressed? Is action pressed? Is action just pressed? Wait, there's a difference. Is action just pressed? Will only return true on the frame or tick that the user pressed down the button. Yeah, that's what I want. Because otherwise you'd be able to hold the button and just kind of ascend beyond. So this should work. Flap. Just making sure it works. Gotta do that rigorous testing of the code you just wrote. Okay, cool. Now, everybody's favorite thing to do. Figure out how to do the thing. I assume it's gonna be in here. We return. Apply Central Force? Sure. To be fair, these probably do all kinds of neat things and just were not working because of the way I had this structured before. So I should just... I don't see any reason that there's going to be a problem with this. A force is time-dependent and meant to be applied to every physics update. Okay, I want an impulse. That sounds correct. An impulse is time-dependent. Applying an impulse every frame would result in a frame rate-dependent force. For this reason, it should only be used when simulating one-time impacts. Yeah. Self. Apply central impulse. Vector to not 3. I'm just gonna say up. Does up exist? Yeah. Nothing's happening. Why? Because I'm only applying a force of 1. Did I do something stupid just now? Where did my script go? Is it attached to the... Oh! This detaches a script. Okay, good to know. You look an awful lot like the button that opens the script, sir. Dude, I can do without the star music. Never mind. I hear it fading. It's almost done. We're done. Okay? It's chill. I should define a force. Force equals 200. Do I need a deal with this? No, I don't. You know, everything starts with a lowercase. I'm just gonna try and follow that. Okay. Not quite as much flap as I would like. I wonder if we can change that from here, there, anywhere? Yeah. I'm not too worried about it. Oh yeah! I had this problem on the original Flappy Pheonix where it adds force, but doesn't behave the way the actual game should. Because to the player, it feels like, well, sometimes I barely move, and sometimes I fling myself into the stratosphere, and I don't understand why. And the reason is because it's cumulative. If you're falling, it has to overcome the force of gravity before it can move up again. And that feels like garbage to play, so I can't use this. I have to set the force, not add to it. So let's see if we have that. Set axis velocity. might work. Since the body's velocity on a given axis, the velocity is in the given vector axis will be set as a given vector length. This is useful for jumping behavior. Kinda, sorta. Quiet. Maybe 600 was fine. Yeah! I think that's too much. Probably go like 400. Middle of the road. The falling, I think, is fine. Yeah, this'll work. This feels about how the other game feels. Let me open it, honestly. I think I have it in here. Can I improve upon it at all? I wonder. My, quote-unquote original Flappy Pheonix. From what feels like an eternity ago. Will you open someday? Are you broken? Wouldn't even be surprised. Won't you open? There we go. This one's a little bit faster. This one falls faster. That's interesting. I guess that's fine, though. Yeah, it definitely falls faster. That's probably just how Godot's gravity is. I could make it floatier. I don't think I mind this. This is fine with me. Open 2. That's what happened. I am gonna move this over a little bit. Oh. My mistake? Nope, still not. I'm gonna move this over when I figure out how. Oh my god. It's so slow. Just set that. There. Let's replace this with something a little more representative since I've got it on hand. I'm gonna rename it first. I think its name is Kotori. Yeah. How do I set you? Huh. Hello. Scale. Let's go with, like, 1/4. Yeah, that's about right. Probably a little smaller, actually. We'll do 15. Obviously not what the finished product is going to look like, but I do plan on using this bird because I realized that it should be a bird. As funny as this, I closed it, but as funny as the small Kiara is, just like flapping her arms in the wind, I think this will look better, and it'll be cute. And this is like trying to be like a serious project now, and not just like a meme. So yeah. Delta is never used. Don't worry, we're going to use it. We're going to use it someday. Am I going to use it? I don't think so, actually. Because this is all the movement that the game really needs. Everything else is going to scroll across the screen. Oh well, you're going to have to deal, Videl. You're going to have to live with the fact that we will never, ever, ever use this parameter. It's never used in the function. If this is intended, prefix it with an underscore. Oh wait, seriously? That's a thing? Okay. If you say so. I wonder what that does. Oh well, I'm not gonna question it for now. Ah, we should go back to the, Delio here. Yeah! Oh god! It burns! It's fine. We're fine. Okay. So this is the first stream we're actually tracking. We started this... Controls? Is there any other controls I need to add? No, because they're gonna be in these screens, right? We started here. It took 1 day. And it's 100% complete. Look at that beautiful purple square. That's what dreams look like right there. How did I... Why am I doing 7 things tomorrow? Are you in my cereal today? Me? How fast do you think you're going to learn Godot? Honestly. If you're honest with yourself. That's okay. I'll just have a lot of orange crap out here. It'll be fine. Game over. Yeah, that makes sense. No more playing around. The game's over, kids. How am I gonna do this? Do I want a separate game over screen? I guess when you hit the ground, die. You know, it's very simple code, but I guess I should comment it, shouldn't I? Just to get in the habit. Anyway, we've just given the bird life and now it must die. I guess, this has probably got a method for... Yeah. If you collide with something, which is kind of extremely nice. Because you don't need a separate collider, it looks like. Well, you do, but... it's not... split across stuff. It's not like I have to go out to the collision's shape and be like, hey, you know, are we colliding with anything? Do you feel like reporting some kind of a collision to me, please? I just have it already. Holy cow, I'm gonna have a stroke. This is the soundtrack to my stroke. Oh god, that's worse. Please. Okay. Ugh. Huh. Okay. What was I saying? I lost every thought. It just... it was... I wasn't ready. Get colliding bodies. That's probably helpful. Or get contact count. Or nerves of... What? Holy crap. Maybe I really am having a stroke. Oh my god. Returns the number of contacts this body has with other bodies. Honestly? Wait, what? Oh, I have to set some crap up right now? Is that... oh, wait. Contact monitor. Can I open you in another window? Of course not. Eh? Okay, well, let's just see what we have. Is false by default. Okay. So we just have to set it to true, right? Contact monitor. Can we just set this, or is it gonna get angry? Is it gonna have something to say to me? Is it gonna slap my mother and call me an eagle? Wait, I should not do that in process. I should not set that every single frame. Enter tree. Init. Init sounds right. Contact monitor. That's what it was. I can type, I swear. It compiled. I think. Cool. Looks like it's working. If... no, not input. What was it called? Get something? Get contact count? If get contact count is what? Greater than 0? Greater than 0. That looks funky to me. It did not. It printed nothing. Why did it print nothing? I didn't just, like, fail to write a print statement, did I? Oh, wait, maybe I did. What the hell? I really did not think that was going to be the case. Why is this open? Oh. We're done with that. How do you not wait? Wait. Oh, I didn't fail to write a print statement. This if only executes as part of this if. Is that correct? Eh? How do I make you not you? How do I separate these two kids? What do these things mean? Are these important? Ugh. Bright! It's very bright. I'm not even gonna look at that anymore. Elif? What's Elif? Elif. It must be shorthand for else if. Is that... Yes. Right here. Okay. I don't want else if, I want two separate ifs. It should be. Hold on. I'll get something that I know works. So I can verify that this is not the problem and then move on with my life. If they are nested, then only one of them will go off. No, they'll both go off. Wait. If it executes all the code on the same frame, then yes, they'll both go off. How do I know if you're nested? If true. It's gonna spam if it's not nested, and it's only going to trigger if I press space if it is nested. Okay. So that is what I thought it was. Which means my player is my problem is something else. This check doesn't work for some reason. Get contact count. Returns the number of contacts this body has with other bodies. By default, this returns 0 unless bodies are configured to monitor contacts. The number of contacts this body has with other bodies. So if it has contact with the ground, for example, unless this doesn't count as a body. Music makes me feel like something sad should be happening, but nothing is. Oh no, this is a song that plays when Blobbery reads the letter. Oh my god. My soul. I'm so sad. Oh, Scarlet. You were too young. I've played this game too many times. um... I definitely feel like they're in contact. Are they not? What do I do? Find another way to check, maybe? I mean, I don't need to know what. I just need to know that the player ran into something. So this felt like it made the most sense. But if it's not gonna work, I guess we'll figure something else out. Consider using signals instead. Do explain. What does that mean? Oh wait, yeah, I do remember something about this. A lesson? Oh boy, am I excited for that. In this lesson, we will look at signals. They are messages that nodes emit when something specific happens to them, like a button being pressed. Other nodes can connect to that signal and call a function when the event occurs. That makes sense to me. Okay. They put a button. Do some stuff. Put the button on the node. Resize, do some other things. We're making a button. There's a button. Now there's a button. Toggle motion. Okay. Oh, it's just a label for the button. Connect signals in the node dock. Select the button node and press. I have no node dock. I have no bird. I have no bush. Okay. I need a green thing. I suppose green things are things that send signals? Or am I just, like, drawing lines that aren't there? Is there, like, a collider that signal? May I search? F1? Signal. Signal is a class. Ugh. Maybe it's just in the control. Hello? There it is. Container, box container, color picker. What's a box container? Container that arranges its child controls horizontally and vertically. Oh, for like UI. Okay. Green is not something that sends signals, it's something that controls things. Green is UI. Seems like green is UI. No 3D. Ah, jeez. We'll be here forever doing this. And there's the signals that it has. Are there signals on the collision shape? No. If I made a button in capital letters and I put it in any of these places, I guess it has to be there. Oh yeah, that button's not there. There is no node. Node. Wait. 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 Are you waiting? I'm waiting too. I still don't see the button. Oh, wait, wait, wait. Oh, it's over here. It's over here, my friend. It's over here. Cool. Don't need the button. So are there signals on the... Yes! Okay. Don't need the button. There are signals over here. Look at this. My eyes have been opened. Okay. My eyes have been opened to the right side of the screen. Herm. I'm looking, I'm seeing with my eyes that look. Double click the pressed signal and open the node connection window. There, you can connect the signal to a Sprite 2D node. Needs a receiver method, a function that the DO will call when the button it's signal. Okay. You got it. I guess I should use camel case, since everything seems to be in camel case. You go away. Stop. Cease this BS. There we go. And then we come over here. Hello. There we go. Double click. What do I want? Mouse entered. That's neat. I like that. Dude, there's a ton. I don't know what some of these even would mean. Tree exiting? Just exit this whole scene? Alright. I assume it would be on one of these two guys. So we've got body entered. What's that? When a collision with another physics body or tile map occurs. That sounds right to me. Requires contact monitor to be set to true. I think it is. Attached script. It's not there. Advanced. Ooh. I'm not advanced. Hold on, wait, where did it go? It's not gonna let me. I definitely wrote a function for it to call. Hold on, let's see what this says. Did they write in on button pressed? Theirs has an underscore. Does it need an underscore? Does underscore have some kind of special property that I don't understand? Oh, wait a minute. Should I just name it this? Let's just try throwing an underscore in here and see what happens. No, it says no. Wait. It's not compatible? Why would you say that? Looks compatible to me. I'm gonna change that because I just changed the name. Nothing. Oh, good. It doesn't work. I wonder why. Oh. Huh? Do I need to have this argument, too? It hates that. Huh. Maybe we should just finish reading this. On node signal. By convention, we name these callback methods on node name signal name. Node name signal name. So by convention, I guess this would be on... What? Like that? God, that's kind of a whole lot. That's a very verbose function name. But, I mean, that's what it would be, what I can tell. Disconnect. Oh? It says it's compatible now. What's the debugger say? Debugger says the perimeter body will never be used if this is intended. Okay, sure. You can have that. You can have your underscore. There's still no oof. Is it the underscore? Are you that specific? No, there's still no oof. Just oof. Just oof. Just oof. Please. Where did I just... I'm in the gray. I'm in the gray world. All I did was click the scroll bar, but... my god. Look at all the words. Okay, wait. Hold on. Maybe I'm misunderstanding this. This says a collision with another physics body 2D or tile map requires contact monitor to be set to true. It is set to true. I set it to true when the game starts. Self-contact monitor true. So that's good. And max contacts reported to be set high enough to... What is the default for this? Should just check here. Max contacts reported. The default is 0. Of course it is. Why would it be anything else? After all, if you're gonna set the... I'm not even... Well, it sounds like I'm being super sarcastic, but that actually does make perfect sense. Max contacts reported. Let's set it to 1. How long have I been muted for? I really want to know. Okay, 1 mutes. I hit the 1 key at some point. Oh my god, I did. I surely did. I hit the 1 key right here. At least I noticed quickly. Good grief. Yep. Okay, so we can detect this. Now I need to figure out what a game over screen looks like. And that is a creative decision that I have to make now. What should you look like? I guess right now we're just doing the, like, bare bones programmer art situation. So... at some point I'm gonna need to make it look nice, but... Well, when... Is that in here somewhere? Yeah, see, I've got the art here. I haven't got any... A game over screen, a title screen, a select screen. I never actually roughed out a time to make the UI. So that's not very... I guess I just thought I would do it tomorrow. That must be what I thought. Okay, we're just gonna do programmer art for right now. Text. I went to text. Label? Yeah, label. That's right. For some reason, I expected the text to be larger. Label settings. Yeah. I don't have a font for you. Apologies. So there must be... Yeah, there's this. Toggle visibility. Can I do that from a script? Probably. Add metadata. What do you mean? Oh. Look at all of you. Let's not metadata today. What is this thing? Toggle visibility? Ah. Hold on. What about just node? All of you inherit from node, right? There's so many. There's a whole lot of them. And I don't see what I'm looking for either, which is great. Bro. Hmm. Okay, I'm just like staring at methods now. This is not doing me any good. Probably just... Oh. What's the problem? Node not found. does git node work? Because I haven't successfully used it yet. Actually, I think it's just in here. Get node. Fetches a node. The node path can either be a relative path or an absolute path to a node. If the path does not exist, null is returned and an error is logged. Attempts to access methods on the return value will result in an attempt to call method on null instance error. Oh! Wait. But then you can also do this? How does this work? Assume your current node is character in the following tree. Okay, this is a picture of a tree. Sort of. There's a character, there's a sword in the character. There's a backpack and a bunch of stuff. Okay. Possible paths are sword, right? Backpack, dagger, root, my game. Okay, so I have to tell it to start from root. It's trying to find label in here, but there is no in here. So I have to tell it root label, like that. No, still broken. Do I have the slashes backwards? I don't. Did I spell label wrong? No. Does dot dot just go up one? That's all it says. Why? Node not found. Oh, you. You absolute cretin. There's a node 2D on top of it all. I have no idea what this is even doing here, actually. I guess it's the overall scene, isn't it? Me? Just renamed it. Why would I do that? It's probably a better way to do this, but... Oh my gosh, I did it! I mean, it doesn't really end the game. You can still kind of flap around. This was a silly order to do this in, because I have to stop several other things that are happening from this function, right? And they're not happening yet, so how can I stop them? Seems kind of silly. I think it's probably easier just to load a new scene, though. Just a game over screen. You probably don't want to do it immediately. That's all I can do for right now. We'll call it 20% complete. The screen scroll. What do you even mean by this? There's nothing to scroll yet, you doofus. Kiara art. I guess I'd do that. Except we're not making Kiara anymore. We're making Kotori. And it's 10:30 at night. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. That's what I'm gonna do. Try to go to the bathroom and all hell breaks loose. Okay. Ooh. The train. What was it called? The XS Express? XS Express, that's not right. The Express of Duress. I'm under duress. Duress. I'll tell you why I'm under duress, though. I'm gonna save this. Save the scene. The reason I'm under duress is because I have to make a bird. I have to make a bird. I have to make a bird. And I don't even have Blender to make a bird with. I don't even have the bird program to make a bird with. There's no bird. And I have to make a bird from scratch. And I can't make a bird. I'm not a person that's ever made a bird. So there's that. I'm gonna check something. I want to make sure that my info writer is working. Just for no reason in particular. Little peep behind the scenes. How about it? I want to make shorts out of the streams. Out of the particularly entertaining bits. And so I have configured a thingy that I can push a button and it will save the timestamp of right now. Don't trust it yet. I've used it a total of 1 time. Oh my god. And it seems convinced that we were not recording during any of these, which is peculiar, because we definitely were streaming. Streaming is not recording. Oh yeah. I guess that's true. Did I really make this many of them? That's a lot of them. That's a lot of them. Alright, well, I'll have to figure that nonsense out later. Blender, that's right. Blender render. Not the kind you make fruit smoothie in, the kind that you make bird in. Blender's amazing, dude. They don't make money selling the program, they make money teaching people how to use it. Of course, you can always just try to figure it out. Like me. It's okay, I can make a bird. I can make birch. Can I download Blender, though? We sure are downloading. Someone sent me a message on the Discord. You know what? Discord's not open on this computer, which means it's not telling everyone that I'm streaming. I guess that's fine. I hope you enjoy my software downloading stream. Remember to leave a like, a comment, a subscribe. Smash that follow button. Twiddle about us on Twiddler. Twiddle-dee-diddle. And make sure to share it on X. Disk usage. Interesting. It should be fine. I tried to play Paper Mario on stream once, and it didn't work. Something about the dolphin and Paper Mario together incited violence on my GPU. Yay! Where are you? There you are. How dare you blend into the background? Instantly just stops responding. Oh yes, I remember you. I remember you. Alright, what do I do? Just press the bird button. Go find the bird generator utility. You know, there probably is one. I would not even be surprised if there was a bird generator somewhere. With the amount of stuff Blender has. The add-ons. I'm literally just gonna type word in and see what happens. No. Okay, well. Goodness. This is not all of them, by the way. Hello. I don't remember acquainting myself with you, and yet you are installed. I guess it's just, it comes with a package, I suppose. Dude. Alright. Left click select, right click does this menu. Middle mouse does that thing. Wasn't there a way to move the 3D cursor around? I think I'm remembering old Blender. Yeah, they moved it here. Not that I really need it right now. I haven't used Blender in a eon in a decade, and I was never really very good at it to begin with. But I would think if you were making a bird, you would probably start with a sphere. Shift A. A mesh. UV sphere. That's probably fine, yeah? Oh, of course it adds right there. I should, recenter the cursor that I moved for absolutely no good reason at all. Ooh. Huh? What the? Oh, no, that's not what I want. Don't do that. Dude, I have to... Oh, God. There's a context menu. I think you can open it with N. Yes. And then you go here, and then you go transform. No. Maybe it wasn't N. Maybe there's two context menus. Oh, God. We're gonna Google this real quick. Oh, there's a manual. Ooh, it's bright. Sidebar region, view, 3D cursor. Sidebar region. It's in view? Why is it in view? Okay. Oh. Love that. Alright. I knew it was in there somewhere. Ah. Okay, yes. Make the ball into a bird. Just do it. Just like, you know, slap it on there. I need a reference. You know, yeah. I should not be starting with a sphere. I should be starting with a reference to Kotori. Kotori I have a picture of. Yes. Oh, why have you oriented yourself this way? Ugh. Don't be that size now. I just want you to be normal. Just be normal. We probably want to stand it up, actually. Ooh, that's peculiar. Nope. Try again. Closer? 180. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh. I do know what I want. Okay. Z. What? Okay. Stop. This is getting you nowhere. Just click on it. Select it with the select box. In object mode. Is it an object? It's this thing. Whatever this is what it is. I can grab it with G. I can't. I hit H instead of G. I can grab it with G. I can't grab it with G. I can grab it with G. Okay, I can grab it. I can press R to rotate. That's right. That's how Blender is. Shift Z. Right, okay. And then R and Z should be... Okay. That's weird. Probably want to rotate on X then. Yes. 90 degrees. Oh my god. I rotated a bird. I'm so proud. Okay. Ooh, that was strenuous. We're gonna go into... We're gonna move it back. We're gonna throw it back. Throw it back. Back there. -3. That's probably good enough. Alright, and then you're gonna get a new mesh. Circle. Rotate. Y? I think Y is the green one. That's why I was confused. Y is not up and down. Then I can go front. Orthographic. Side orthographic? Okay. Okay. Edit mode. On the circle. Yes. Except that I can't see the vertices because they're exactly the same color as Kotori. They're like precisely exactly the same color. Look at that! They're invisible! No! Oh god. Okay. I just need to make it a little bit less vibrant is all. I'm sure there's a way to do that. There's definitely a way to do that. There's a way to do that. Oh. Oh no. I'm learning. I'm learning, chat. Oh, the strain of all this learning. I'm learning. Learning. I'm learning. Where? Dude, wait, what was I trying to do? Oh god, the top is different. Everything's different. Oh. Oh no. It's been 50 years. It's been 60 years. It's been 70 years. Everything's changed. Oh god. I don't know what this button does. It's the whole world. It's the whole entire world. It's right there. It's got nodes too. Like Godot. Oh god, why did I click that? I don't know what that did. Ah. Oh. Oh no. How to drink my drink. Oh no. I've not learned. It's so cold. This is fitting music, right? For the wintertime? All I want to do is make it like a little bit less. I just want to dim the color a little bit. And I don't. I really don't. I don't. I don't even. I don't even. I don't odd. I don't. I doesn't. View. Dude, why haven't you Googled this? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing with your life? Google that shit. Blender. Make a picture transparent. Oh, not a render. Not renders. The image. Eh? Oh gosh, that's not what I want either. Make less orange. Use a negative number. Guys, just use a negative number. What does that mean? Dude, no, actually, isn't there a data? Wait, this seems to have something to do. Oh my god. We did it. I'm a genius. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna kind of move this whole sucker. Whoa, 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 chill. There you go. And if you're a 3D modeler and you're sitting here going, ew, what are you doing? This is the worst way that you could do this, and I hate everything that I'm looking at right at this moment. Please feel free to chime in the Twitch chat, or in the YouTube chat, and say, hey, I know a better way you can do this. You should do it right now. And I'm gonna show you how. And here's a tutorial on how to make a bird, and you should just make this bird. Because I would be very glad to do that. I would very happily make that bird instead. But right now we're making this bird. Because there is no such person. How am I gonna do the wing? Let's come back to that question. Oh. I think I'm gonna do the wing and the beak separately. probably that thing on its head, too. Ooh. You know, I shouldn't be making this first. Because I'm gonna get, like, super good at 3D modeling, right? From doing all the 3D modeling that's gonna be required for this project, because there's a lot. And then, I'm going to come back and say, wow, this bird is ugly. And I hate it. And I'm gonna remake the bird. That's what's gonna happen. There's a dearth of vertices here, isn't there? Can I, knife. Use a knife. That's not working. That's not doing what I expected it to do. Loop cut. Loop cut. Alright. Ever you need to make a loop vertice? Loop cut, baby. Loop cut them shits. Okay, we probably don't need that many. Holy cow. Loop cut them shits. Ooh, why did you disappear? Why would you ever do that? This part is probably going to be mostly covered up by wings anyway, so maybe that was fine, the way that the vertices were, but I don't know how the back of a bird looks. Like this, I guess. Dude, what's the point of adding more vertices if it's just gonna make the thing look worse? We didn't need more. No, it'll be good to have them. I think we're good. You wanna see a magic trick? Ooh. I still remember something about something. And mercifully, the somethings I remember about something still work. Okay. What I have now is a beautiful little cookie cutter that you can make tutorials with at home. You can take this, you can 3D print it, and then you can press it into the cookie dough. And you can make cookies that are shaped a little bit, kind of, sort of like a bird. And that'll be a good Thanksgiving to have with your family. Except it'll be Christmas. Then it'll be Easter. Then it'll be Christmas again. That's right. The passage of time is inevitable. You're all going to die. I don't know why I took it there. That's kind of a weird one. That was kind of weird. Should probably see a therapist or something. I don't know where to go from here, I'll be honest. This is this is as far as I got. Wait, I know I need to close it up, but I don't. How? Make round. Make round. It should be round. It is Burge. Cute, round, fluffy bird, right? And think bird thoughts. Okay. Bird tail would be more pointed, right? Eee. Let's go here. E. No, not you. Is it shift? It's shift. It's shift. What? How dare you, existent? I hid the vertices. Okay, there we go. Yes. Kind of. Yes. bird. I don't know why there's almost 100%, 150%, 170% a better way to do this. But I'm doing it this way. That's what I'm doing. I'm manually selecting and moving each verse by hand. Like a true craftsman, like an artisan in this bitch. That's what I am. A bitch, not an artisan. Become. Exist. I'm willing you to join the world with me. I want you to come with me, Kotori. I want to wake up next to you every morning and look into your little green eyes and tell you that I love you. But I can't. Because you're some kind of weird cookie cutter. Oh dear. Some kind. Okay. Well, given that it's 11 o'clock at night now, it's actually 11:11. Nice. I am going to bed. But I think we made good progress today. I guess that this wants to save to the documents folder. I'm not going to do that, but it is an interesting suggestion. We're just going to call this Kotori. And we'll make bird. Tomorrow, there will be bird. Even if I have to sit here for 4.5 hours, because I can't really stream for longer than that. There will be bird. I swear it. Oh boy. Good night, everyone. Thank you for existing. See you tomorrow.